everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I will guide you through how to transfer money to XE account. First of all, you need to open your banking app or log into your bank website using your debit or credit card. Then you need to identify the credit or debit card from which you would like to transfer the funds. Then locate the request money transfer button and tap on it. Now your bank will display the amount that you can transfer. Next, you need to provide your recipient's details. Then your bank will provide details on transfer fees and applicable terms and conditions. Once you accept them, your bank will take some time to process the request and you should receive the money in your account within 24 hours. You can also transfer money via ACH direct debit. So to transfer money to your XE account via ACH direct debit, you will be required to fill in a form. The data needed to fill in this form includes your name, your account number and routing number. Also, you must specify if your account is business or personal account. Then you need to proceed to clarify if your transaction is debit or credit. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer and lastly provide the payment date. Then allow the system to process your information and the transfer should be successful within 1 to 2 business days. So this is how you can transfer money to your XE account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos and thank you for watching.